To start with, first we must have clips on the timeline. Then head towards the project panel, right click, go to new item and adjustment layer. Now this window will pop up in front of you and we're gonna keep the adjustment layer settings as default and then click on OK. After that, grab the adjustment layer and drop it over the videos. Then go to effects, type down offset, find the effect, grab it and drop it over the adjustment layer. But we haven't finished with the effects yet. Go back again, type down Gaussian blur, find the effect and again drop it over the adjustment layer. Now move the cursor 5 frames backwards, go to the effects control panel, scroll down to offset and Gaussian blur and create keyframes with the default values. Then move 10 frames forward, go to shift center 2 and go down to -960. That's what in my case, in your case might be different. Then go back to blurriness and create another keyframe with the default value. And I'll go back 5 frames so the cursor will be between both videos and increase the blurriness up to 200 or more. Then from blur direction, change it to horizontal. And now to make the animation smoother, select all keyframes, right click, temporal interpolation and Bezier. After that, select the offset keyframes, open its properties by clicking on this arrow and create this kind of curve so it can be similar to a summit. And now let's see the final animation. And that's how you can create whip pan transition in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.